to the 3B Kids of Texas channel. Today we are going to bring you a recipe from our United Tastes of America cookbook. Today we're focusing on Arkansas. This time we're making biscuits and sawmill gravy. This is where Arkansas is located, and this is a better look of the shape. Do you know what the capital of Arkansas is? Little Rock, Arkansas. Yeah. They are known for rice. They make the most of any other state.
Do they make tortillas too?
No. They have over 600,000 acres of lakes. Did you know we can go diamond digging there? It's the only state that produces diamonds.
They have a lot of outdoors activities. We can go hiking. We can visit the hot springs.
It's called the natural state. Let's get to making our buttermilk biscuits and gravy. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees. Goodbye, 2.5 cups flour. Half teaspoon salt.
1 tablespoon baking powder.
1 teaspoon baking soda.
Mix it all together.
Take a stick of unsalted butter and cut it into half-inch cubes. Take the cubes of butter and work them into your flour mixture. This is called cutting it in. The butter will not be completely blended. You should have some small clumps. It's what makes the biscuits flaky. Place the bowl into the refrigerator for 10 minutes. Add 1 cup buttermilk into the flour mixture. And then use the fork to stir until it becomes a dough. Don't over-mix it. Lightly flour a work surface and knead the dough on it. Knead the dough about 5 to 6 times before we press it into a rectangle. You want about 3/4 inch. If you have a 2-inch biscuit cutter or a cup, use it to shape your biscuits. That's about right. Place them on a cookie sheet. the top of the biscuits with heavy whipping cream. Until golden brown, about 15 minutes. While the biscuits are browning, let's start the gravy. Add 3/4 pound sausage. Now it's time to add 1/4 cup of flour. Cook that for 3 minutes. We're going to stir in 2½ cups milk. Add in 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. Bring to a simmer and cook for 6 to 8 minutes. It should be nice and thick then. It's starting to thicken up. It's nice and thick and we are ready to serve. Now it's time to try it. Bon appetit. I love it. I don't like the hotness. Maybe. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye! Be good. Be good. Love you.
Love you. And I don't know. And
Close the drinks.
say yeah.